Welcome to A-Tech. If you're having issues with notifications not showing up on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to fix that problem. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to tap on Notifications. Once you're inside, tap on Show Previews and make sure it's set to Always. This ensures that notifications will always be shown, even when your iPhone is locked. Next, scroll down to see all the apps installed on your iPhone. If you're having an issue with a specific app, such as Messages, tap on it. Here, ensure that Allow Notifications is enabled. You should also verify that the Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners options are selected. If any of these are turned off, your notifications won't appear as expected. For third-party apps like Messenger or Instagram, the process is similar. Scroll down the notifications list, tap on the app, and make sure that notifications are enabled in the app settings. This will ensure you're receiving notifications from those apps as well. Once you've confirmed all the settings are correct, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone to refresh the system. To do this, hold down the power button and tap Restart. This step can help resolve any lingering issues. If you're still facing problems, the next step is to check your screen time settings. Go back into Settings, tap on Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it's turned off, as sometimes restrictions can prevent notifications from appearing. If you've tried all of the above and you're still not receiving notifications, your final option is to reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings, the General Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset All Settings. This will restore your iPhone's settings to their default configuration. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and other customized settings. So, that's all. If you found this video helpful, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.